Hello, student. Now, in this video, we will be learning about the sales process, the methods of selling, opening a sale, how the sale should be opened. Listen to the emotional side of your prospect or client. The first point is this. Second point is focus on your prospect or client's needs. Because when we know the needs of the client, then only we can offer him the right product. Help your prospect see the bottom line. Find out your prospect's priorities. Thank them. Share your agenda. These are the basic steps every salesperson should follow. Because listening them first will help you in knowing the needs of the customer. We should use the language that focus on your prospect or client. Make them comfortable when you are going to tell them about the product features, specifications, and all. So this is how you should start your sale. The tree of business life presentation method is given by there are certain golden rules which you must follow. Master the art of creating effective sales presentation. You should try every time a new way by which your presentation is good and the customer is happy with you and trying to create some chemistry with the salesperson. Have fun presenting your product. You should feel very proud and happy when you are presenting your product. Select your presentation method based on prior knowledge of customer, sales call objectives, customer benefit plan. This step can help you when you listen the customer. If he is more knowledgeable, then you have to put more important and more specific facts of the product. You should have sales call objective. You should also have a customer benefit plan. You will see that ethical service builds true relationship. So here you can see this figure where you are trying to develop the relationship with the customer. So this triangle shows that the ethical service and build on true relationship. You should be very factual while telling the product specifications and the utility of the product. Now, you should have a proper strategy of presenting for sale. Sales people face numerous situations. Salesperson to buyer, salesperson to buyer group, sales team to buyer group, and conference selling and seminar selling. These are few ways, few strategies which you can follow when you are preparing your presentation. Now let's look at the structure of sales presentation. Memorize selling, that should be structured. Formula selling, it should be semi structured. Need satisfaction selling, it should be unstructured, and problem solution selling, highly customized, because the problems are different for different customers. So you have to highly customize the solution which a buyer is having. The problem, according to the problem a buyer is having. Participation time by customer and salesperson during a memorized sales presentation. Here you can see the participation time. The salesperson talking time is shown here by the blue line. At the approach time, the participation sales person talking time should be less, but it should go up when it moves to the presentation. And at the time of closing also, the salesperson talking time should come to less, and we should listen to the customer more. Why choose the memorized sales presentation method? Because it ensures the salesperson give a well presentation, ensures all of the company's salespeople discuss the same information, both aids and lends confidence to the inexperienced salesperson. It is effective when selling time is short, as in door-to-door or telephone selling. The product type is non-technical, such as books, cooking utensils, or cosmetics. Why not to choose the memorized sales presentation method? Because salespeople does 80% to 90% of talking, presents FABs that may not be important to the buyer, allows for little prospect participation, is impractical to use when selling technical products that require prospect input and discussion, requires the salesperson to proceed quickly through the sales presentation to the close, resulting in several close or request for the order, which may be interpreted by the prospect as high pressure selling. Participation time by a customer and salesperson during a formula sales presentation is shown in this figure. During the approach, it should be less and it should go up, and then when he is going to close the sale, it should come smoothly down. It should be bell-shaped curve. Why choose the formula sales presentation method? Because it is a persuasive, know something about the prospect, are contracting similar prospect in similar situations, have called on the prospect in the past, want to ensure all information is presented logically, want to have reasonable amount of buyer-seller interaction. Why choose the formula sales presentation method? Because it allows for smooth handling of anticipated questions and objections. Examples of product type that work well with this method are consumer goods and pharmaceutical goods. Why not to choose the formula sales presentation method? Because you do not know anything about the prospect's needs, see a need for the prospect to talk more, have a complex selling situation such as selling a technical product, selling to a group. Participation time by customer and salesperson during need satisfaction and problem solution sales presentation is shown by this figure. it should be at high level where need development, and it should then uh, go downward when you are closing the sale. Why choose the need satisfaction sales presentation method? Because you need a flexible interactive sales presentation, need to uncover needs by asking questions, need the prospect to talk about his needs. Use this method the first time you call on a prospect. Should you have to come back a second time, you would use the formula sales presentation method. Why choose the need satisfaction sales presentation method? Example of product type that work well with this method are financial services, security system, high price goods service such as vehicles, real estate, industrial equipment. Why not to choose the need satisfaction sales presentation method? Because you need more control over the conversation, don't want to field too many questions, are new to the sales profession. The problem solution presentation 6 step. Step 1, convincing the prospect to allow the salesperson to conduct the analysis, making the actual analysis, agreeing on the problem and determining that the buyer wants to solve the problem, preparing the proposal for a solution to the prospect's needs, preparing the sales presentation based on the analysis and proposal, making the sales presentation. Why choose the problem solution sales presentation method? Because you are selling highly complex or technical product, are required to make several sales calls to develop a detailed in-depth analysis of a prospect's needs, need a flexible customized presentation based on findings, and it is B2B, so that is business to business. What is the best presentation method? Memorized, formula, need satisfaction, problem solution. Each of these method is the best one when properly matched with the situation. In this way, by using the various methods of sales, a salesperson can make his presentation better. And for today, this is, uh, I guess, we will stop here. Thank you.